Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty post-market analysis, and also we'll be looking at tomorrow's market for the levels. We'll have a look at. Before that, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's continue right now. See what I will do. I'll pull up a Nifty chart for you right now. Let's go into daily chart right now. Okay. So exactly, Nifty is, still it is at the support, this support, which we are talking about right now. For actually, if you look at, from 4 days, including this candle, Nifty is hovering around that support area right now. So today we had a little bit of an upsurge, actually, and a little bit, actually the gap, there was a gap down, then, market pulled back again and went upside. So but still it is, it's not like that it is confirmed uptrend or something like that. It's not like that. We have to wait for tomorrow also and see if any red candle comes and close below this, then we can see some further downside also, right? So what we'll do right now, so let me draw a support line here for a Nifty. Let's go into 1 hour chart. Let's go into 1 hour chart and see how the chart is looking right now. And actually, if you look at it, there is there is a possibility. This is where it is got rejected, right? So let's come back. See, this is gap down. This candle in 1 hourly chart. Then this gap got filled. Then tomorrow we don't know. It may look, if I open like this, there may be a trap. First candle, then can red candle can come and come back to this level again once again. For that, we still don't have upside confirmation yet. Above this level, we can start looking at Nifty possibly how it's gonna perform in the coming days. Okay, if it goes above that level, like 23,237 or something like that, above that level, if it start moving, then we'll have a short rally upside, probably. It's all a probability game, but till where it can reach to this level, this is the level it can reach actually. Okay, so yeah, so this is, and there is this level also is there, that is also, and this level also, this is the level. Okay, so actually if it crosses this level, okay, then we can see some upside move in a Nifty, then we can say uptrend is confirmed. It's a very far place actually. If you look at it, still is a lot of time. How it's going, market is going to come back and fill that, the, for example, this gap which I'm talking about, depending on actually how structure is going to be formed, whether such structure going to be formed like this, and then it may take some time. Okay, whether it's going to go like this. So this is a better, I already discussed. Okay, that is a better way for a market also. It's a stable structure, we can say that. Okay, and if I go to the bank Nifty, if you look at Nifty bank chart, actually, yeah. Actually, if you look at Nifty Bank, why I was talking further, it can come down because I clearly mentioned in my earlier videos that, this gap can be got filled, right? So that is what it is. Today it is trying to go and, penetrate that gap, still not able to penetrate. Tomorrow it may, we don't know, but there is still there. I can see that clearly there is a gap. So it may be a trap. Okay, for example, this may be a trap. We don't know yet. Tomorrow we'll see that. Okay, we have to anything above this level, then we can consider that you can start moving upside or something like that. Till that, you have to be a little bit careful. Tomorrow, for example, so probably this is the high, is the swing high, recent swing high, right? From this level, the red candle can close below this and can start moving lower actually. Okay, that is also possibility is there, that we cannot deny that. Okay, because you can see several candles went upside today 1 hourly chart. We can expect some retracement also probably, but we'll see that how it goes, right? So or else it can, in the morning, green candle can come and wait, then you can start moving upside, right? That is also possible. But if you look at this, I am talking about bank Nifty for many days right now. There is a possibility that this gap can be filled probably. Okay, so we'll see that what happens, tomorrow. And one stock I was keeping an eye on actually, still, Dalmia Bharat Sugar. This stock, looks good actually. If I go into the 1 day chart, okay, so this is, exactly trading at, if you take this as a support, this is the first bottom and, second bottom, and this is the third bottom. Bottom need not to be exactly at the same level actually. A little bit, 100% will not happen like that, right? This is a triple bottom kind of a pattern which is forming here. So probably there is a bounce, we'll see that, in a coming days, because fall is also stopped right now. So it's just, hovering around this area, and, it has created a beautiful, downside, hammer, this, patterns. Okay. So we'll see that, how it's going to perform. This is a one more stock which we keep an eye on actually. And this is it, actually. Last, week we have discussed, before that some good stocks we have discussed, but unfortunately they failed because market heavy falling is there. So everything goes with the wind when it happens like that. Even if it is a good structures, they will fail. When a falling market is there, you have to be a little bit careful. All right. But this is, market is at the support. That is why, I was just looking at this stock. Let's see what happens. So I was started watching from 341. Now it is already 346 actually. And yeah, this is, my analysis for today and tomorrow short video. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with another video. Until then, please take care.